introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ridha Istira. Today, we'll go over the first talking about the essential tips to help you capture your student attention and keep them hooked. Let's get started. The first up is know your audience. Every group of students is different. Think about their age, background, interests, and learning style. So, tailoring your content to match their needs makes your message more relatable and more effective. And the second is start with a bang. Grab their attention from the very beginning. Use a surprising fact, an intriguing question, or even a quick story. That often moment sets the tone for the rest of your presentation, so make it count. The tips number 3, be clear about your goals. What should your students take away from your presentation? When you have a specific learning objective, it's easier to stay focused and make sure your message hits his mark. The next is now let's talk structure. A well-organized presentation helps students follow along. Start with an introductions, then your main points, and finally a clear conclusion. Use outlines, bullet points, and smooth transition to guide them through your content. And the next tips is make it visual. Use high quality image, simple chart, and concise text to support what you're saying. Avoid overcrowding your slides. Okay, the next step will explain with my friend Rido. Thanks.
My name is Ridho Rahman. Today I want to talk about the several point about the effectively using visual or graphic in presentation. First, we talk about use of the white space. A common mistake is trying to fill every part of the slide with the text or images, but actually leaving space, what can we call white space, have your content stand out and give your audience room to breathe. It makes your slide look lean, focused, and easier to follow. So instead of charming too much and let your vision breathe, let's release more. Next, to be a consistently create a professional and organized look. Use the same font, size, and colors throughout your presentation. For example, if your title are bold and dark blue on slide, then don't be suddenly switch to white or a different font. And the next consistently help your audience focus on your message of not your layout. Next, you use the animation sparingly. Yes, animation can be useful, but only when they support your message to main effective and flying text, pinning image, and will distract instead of help. Use subtle transition like a fade in or appear, and only when it adds clarity. For example, revealing bullet point and by one as you speak. For the next is the balance of your layout. A good slide is like a good photo. Everything should feel like well positioned. Don't put all your content on my end one shot and leave the other side blank. Instead, distribute the next visual in a way that feel balanced. This make it easier for the audience to read and understanding what you're showing. And finally, test your presentation. This is step many people skip, but it's crucial before your presentation. If you feel fire on the actual device and your can be using, make sure the text is readable, the slide look right, and the animation is work. Also, practice your timing. You should know how long your takes and test the presentation is a confident presentation. Okay, thank you. This is about the several meaning of the effective using visual or graphic in presentation.